Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, this is a low car. Really low.
Right-hand drive.
Yeah, he's got drivers right there, right side. Well, man, box perspection size is really, I didn't realize how deep it was.
Yeah, it's pretty deep.
Wow. You play, like, what's your box tune to on it?
29.
29? Lows. Yeah. Anyway, go ahead and tell me your name, what's in here for the video, man.
Bike, team still louder. 2 team EM audio 18s, Soul 12K, 90C Max battery, 270 Brand X alternator.
Nice. Wow. And your amps right here?
Yeah.
Any bass or mids and highs amps?
Salt 2000.6.
Okay. No, you're at 1 ohm or half ohm? Okay. Very nice. What made you put port up instead of back? Just curious.
It rolls off the back hatch a little bit better.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. What vehicle is this? I don't really know about vehicles. So.
Super Force SCI.
Okay. And is your lithium anywhere hidden?
Lithium's C-Max 90 banks underneath the box.
Under the box. Okay.
Up
Got it.
Fine.
Okay. Did you used to have 6 subs before?
Well, you did the
Man.
video last year with the 6 CB5
Wow.
cans.
Holy smokes.
Same set. Well, I had the Depons 20K because my Soul 12K went bad, but
Oh man. Okay. Wow. What made you change up your variation of sub size and all? Go with, instead of staying with
a
the
little
Conair?
something different. And then I
Yeah.
traded in. I got a F250. It's got 812s.
Okay.
That's we're building for a blow through for next year.
Yes, sir.
So it's the last year for this one. I got another Subaru. We're going to do 3 of these.
Okay.
On either one Soul 12 or 2 Soul 12.
Did a band pass?
Same setup.
Same. Oh, no wall. Okay.
Oh well.
Wow. What's your cubic space size on this box? 18, 17? I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Now I want to say it's around.
Oh, it looks way bigger than that. Really? Wow.
Yeah, it's not as deep as it really looks.
Oh, it's not?
No.
How far down is?
I think it's about
bottom.
19 inches tall.
Okay, so about right there. Got it. Wow. Did a really good job, man. Whoa, that's a big box for 2 18s. Wow. Are these the 5K RMS subs? Wow. Nice. Did you build this? Good work, man. Looks really nice. Wow. You done a good bit of hatch work. It's probably breaking apart though.
It is.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely, it's cracking everywhere.
Yeah. Oh man. All right, Evan. I'd love to hear it. Sorry for the questions.
No, you're good.
I'd like to know.
Turned to a savage, started outside her, she got me got it. Smoking that gas, got all that shiny, she on the bottom. Nowadays I am on my head, I got saddle. Money got longer, speaker got louder.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Really nice job.
Thank you.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.